Why is it that there's bags of horse manure piling up in the Liberties area of Dublin 8? Well, the problem began just over a year ago when a local Dublin City Council facility stopped accepting this kind of waste. Horse and carriage operators now must wait for the waste to be collected privately or move it themselves.
It's not nice. Do you know what I mean? The main tourist attraction in Dublin is the Guinness Storehouse, where lovely horses and carriages walk from. But when you go down and you see the manure everywhere, and the smell of it.
Dublin City Council say that they stopped accepting horse manure at the local depot due to health and safety concerns around access and storage. They say it's now up to individual horse owners to ensure that they properly dispose of their waste and that they have no intention of restoring this facility in any of their depots.
We've asked them numerous occasions, can we have a skip outside, can we pay for a collection? We need to put it somewhere. We have our own little place, we use for fertiliser on our own farm, but there is lads that are cut out after so many years being used to going to the same place. Now they've nowhere to go.